Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting world of Figma to show you how to edit the header in this powerful design tool. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this tutorial will equip you with the skill you need to create a stunning header in Figma in 2023. So let's jump right in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave browser, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type figma.com and hit the enter button. Of course, for you, if it's your first time, you'll have to go and log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on Get Started and follow the prompt to create your account. And of course, if you don't want to waste time on creating or even logging in your account into your account, you'll have the option to log in or even create your account with a Google account, so you don't get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, you will find yourself here on the dashboard, kind of. And of course, if you created your account, they'll ask you some simple questions. You can go and go through them, and of course, you can even skip them if you don't want to. Once you're here on the dashboard, we can simply click on a new design file, and here let's start editing our header. As simple as that. So let's start as an example. Of course, if you don't want to edit the header by your own, you can simply go and search for headers from here as an example. So you can go and check all the headers here, and you can take from them if you want to. If you want to create your own one, you can simply go, as we said, click on create a new design and make sure to go and create your header as an example. So as an example, our header will start with a simple rectangle here as an example. This is going to be our header. And of course, let's just zoom to fits here. And this header, of course, we can change the color of it. So let's just do a blue color as an example, light blue color right here. And of course, we will have to place it to the top of the page. Of course, the page is so big. So as you can see, let's just go here. As you can see, the page is so big, so whatever you created, it's not going to be enough. So let's just pretend that this is our page. So click on zoom to fit. So let's just pretend that this is our page. And or for you, of course, you can just go and check for a good dimensions right here for your header, and you can go and choose that as an example. So you can even change the dimensions from here if you want to do that by your own. As an example, if you change them, it will be changed. So make sure to do whatever suits you. So as an example, here is going to be the header. As an example, let's just create another rectangle, which is going to be the body here. And let's just zoom out a bit and make sure it's the same size as the first one, like this. Yeah. And here we can even change the color of that. We can make it black, or let's just make it, yeah, right, like this, like red or red with white. And here we can add some text as example to our header. As an example, let's write welcome text on the header, and we can even change the color of that. Of course, make sure to select this all and choose as an example black. Make sure to add or to make it bigger a bit if you want to. So just make it even bigger a bit more maybe. Yep. As you can see, now it's shown. You can even add some widgets if you want to. So as an example here, let me just even add, sorry, a logo to the, okay, I was not pressing control, I was pressing the Windows key in my keyboard. That's why it was showing up. So here, let's just choose this and place an image or video as an example. Let's just choose this as a logo. And here, let's just put it on the header as well. So as you can see, it's become bigger as the background of the header. That's not what we want. As an example, you can do that. You can choose a background for the body. As an example, let's just choose for this one, select this, and then you can choose that, place an image, and as an example, this one. Place it here. And as you can see, this, as an example, is going to be the body of our image. And here we are. Of course, now we'll be able to select. Just by the way, make sure to put a name to your projects, so it will not. So you will remember it when you want to go and edit this again, once again. And here's an example. As we said, we will have just to simply edit the header. Let's not care about other things. As an example, we can even go and add like a pencil if you want to write something, if you want to add a signature as an example. Let's just say as an example, you would like to add a signature. So you'll be able to add this from here. Of course, you'll even be able to change the color of it again. As an example, even the vector too, because we added two vectors. So make sure to change it here, and you'll be able even to add some frames if you want, some sections. As an example, you'll be able to add some sections. So here, let's just put this section small, and you can here, as an example, convert it to frame if you want to. You can do a lot of other stuff with it. Or we can simply, so let's just zoom to fit again, or we can simply just go and place an image as an example again, and let's just put this image from here, make it small a bit, just make it a bit more smaller, and we can put it as a logo right here with this welcome. So let's say, example, this is the logo of our header. Just make it bigger a bit, and here with this welcome, we can even make it big like that, so we can add or make this welcome sentence bigger. We can put this in the middle as an example, and we can even make it even bigger a bit. And as you can see here, we'll find the header with a logo, with a title, or with a welcome sentence, and even with the signature. Of course, you can add any other widgets as an example to your header. So let's just add as an example a widget or a home widget. So just delete this. Yeah, a button, why not? Let's just add a button and go here. This button, let's just click on the settings, and here we are just going to type home, or as an example, contact us, and here make sure to enter the URL of your email or where they can contact you. As an example, I'm just going to put here an Instagram page. I don't know why, but I'm just going to put an Instagram page slash test and hit the enter button. As you can see, contact us. You can make it its medium. You can make it a bit smaller and tiny bit, and you can put it like here with the header if you want, and you'll be normally good to go. So there you have it. Editing the header, of course, in Figma is a breeze with its initiative interface and robust feature. Of course, by following the steps we've covered in this tutorial, you'll be able to create your header and even customize it however you want. So we hope this video have been helpful and inspiring for you on your design journey. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips, tricks, and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell or so you never miss an update. Happy designing with Figma. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.